During this and several future tutorials, we will be learning to work with various aspects of financial planning. Namely, there will be a video about each of these tabs. As you can see, the first tab is actually Assets, but we will leave that for later, just before the video about the directive, since that data has to be entered into the program right before starting work with the directive. The first data that should be entered into the program is information about income, which is why it is the subject of today's tutorial. First, let's click on the tab. As you can see upon opening the Income tab, there are two lists, two fields, the upper and the lower. The upper list shows income types, while the lower list shows specific transactions and sums received. Every sum of money must be tied to a particular income type. This is necessary, firstly, so that summaries can automatically be calculated for each of the types, as you can see in the Amount column. And secondly, this way you can set different percentages of deductions to deposit into funds from every type of income. Why would that be necessary, you might ask? As we can see, this example company has two types of income, retail sales and wholesale sales. For all income, some percentage of it needs to be kept in order to buy more of the same product to sell again. And this percentage is different for wholesale and retail prices. Our program allows you to set those varying percentages for repurchasing goods, which we will cover in more detail in a later tutorial. For now, let's add a third type of income, maintenance services. Firstly, click on New Income Type. A form will appear prompting you to enter data about the new type of income. First, you need a number. This can be any combination of numbers and letters. The only requirement is that it does not repeat anywhere else in the program, whether it be fund, asset, or expense category numbers. They have their own data types. Let's keep it simple and simply choose I3 for Income 3 as the number. Enter the title, in this case Maintenance Services, and click on Save. As you can see, a new income type has appeared, bringing the total to 3 types. That is not much, and a real business could have dozens of income types. In such situations, it can be useful to arrange the types into groups. Let's do that. Click on New Income Type yet again. For this example, the title will be Sales, and the number will be IS, Income Sales. But in the Type menu, select Folder. Alright, click on Save again. As you can see, a folder has now appeared on the list. Let's move the retail and wholesale sales to it. As I already mentioned, every actual sum of income is tied to an income type. Every type of income also has a unique number within the program, not available for editing, which is what ties the type to the actual sum of money. This way, no matter how much data about that type is changed, its title, number, which group it belongs to, the sums will be forever tied to it. This is also why you cannot fully delete income types in ASMX, only move them to the archive. Let's move our newly created group to the archive, but I will firstly remove the income types from it. Alright, to move a group or an income type to the archive, click the red trash icon. Income types and folders can be restored after being archived. For that, click the arrow to show the advanced search. You can choose whether to display all archived or active types and folders. Let's click on All for now. Here's the folder that we archived, but for now it shall stay archived. Only the financial director of a company can create new income types and edit, archive, and restore existing ones. These permissions can be granted by toggling them on in an employee's profile, but only one employee per company can have them enabled, since a company can only have one financial director. As you can see, everything is very simple. Thank you for watching, and we will be happy to answer any questions you might have in the comments below.